Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Wednesday, June 10th. What we see here is a lot of volatility in the Russell. As we went through in the advanced video, we got a lot of fundamentals out there and geopolitical events that are driving these markets. And what we see here in the Russell is a neutral setting. It's a market that both buyers and sellers are present and they're waiting for additional data. And we have it on the geopolitical and economic front coming up over the next couple days. When we look at what's happening here, well, what about the dollar? Would it get stronger or weaker? And what we see here in the Aussie dollar also got weaker and stronger compared to the dollar. The bias is for a move lower. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. I'm not looking for a dramatic move. Capital flows towards the U.S. dollar in times of uncertainty. And what we see here in the 10-year notes, it firmed up price-wise, which means yields are coming down. And just the opposite right now in Asia. I don't look for a big day up or down without new news to drive this market. And that bleeds over to the metals. If we look at copper, for example, very balanced, bias to the downside. So price is bearish, but fundamentals surrounding this market, they're bullish. We have potential demand coming online for this market. So it'll be interesting to see who wins this tug of war, buyers or sellers. When we think about what's happening in the soybean market, it is still sellers are present. But look at the change in characteristics, smaller bodies, loss of momentum, potential transition. This is Asia, just starting, not really showing us too much. But the idea here is it may have gotten cheap enough to find those buyers. And that's what I'm looking for in this market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.